Welcome, dear children, to our chapter A Busy Month. In this chapter, you have watched few videos which I have shared with you about the bird's beak, claws, and their nests. Now, today we are going to revise those things. That was animated video, and now we are going to revise the points of this chapter. So today we'll discuss about the nests and caring for young ones. How do birds care for their young ones? By building different types of nests. So here what we are going to learn today: birds nests. Tailor bird's nest, weaver bird's nest, nests in tree trunks, example woodpecker, nests on pebbles, example penguin, nests in bushes, example is partridge, nest in hollow of trees, example parrot, other birds nest, example cuckoo. And here is the caring for young ones. Now here you can see the birds. Birds are the animals with their bodies covered with feathers. They have a pair of wings and a pair of legs and feet. They do not have lips and teeth but a hard beak instead. So these are the main 3 points for the birds which we should always keep in mind whenever we are talking about any bird, whether it is ostrich, whether it is duck, whether it is peacock or pigeon or a sparrow. So whichever bird we are talking about, these 3 points should immediately come to our mind, that these are the common features of all the birds. Then here we have the nests. What is nest? You can see here some of the pictures, and here are the main points. If you are asked to define nests, this is the place where the birds live with their young ones. Birds use grass, straw, twigs, pieces of cloth, paper, and threads to build their nests. They use nests to lay and hatch eggs. The nest also protect the birds and their young ones from bad weather and enemies. Birds build their nests at various places: bushes, branches of trees, tree trunks, roofs of the houses, earth mounds, and even on ground. So these are the places where the birds are building their nests. Now bird's nest, this is the tailor bird. Fine. Tailor bird uses its beak as a needle to sew leaves together using wool and thread. It uses broad leaves and stuffs them with soft materials to make it cozy. That's why the name is tailor bird. Then here is the weaver bird. See, so beautiful. Weaver bird. The weaver bird uses its beak to weave a strong cup-shaped nest using twigs and dry grass. Nest usually hangs from the branch of a tree. The nest has a tunnel-like opening at the bottom from where the bird enters the nest. Then here is the woodpecker makes holes in tree trunks with its beak to make a nest. So here is the woodpecker, and this is making the hole in the tree trunk with its beak. So hard beak woodpecker is having. Then this is, can you identify? Yes, penguin. Penguins make their nest on the ground as it is difficult to find twigs and grass in very cold places where they live. Hence, they make their nests with pebbles and stones. And this is the penguin nest. You can be asked, name a bird which makes its nest with pebbles and stones. So you will answer, it is a penguin. Then we have partridge. Birds like fowl and partridge build shallow nests on ground. They scoop out mud and spread out straw and hay to make the nest soft and lay eggs. Excuse me. They build their nests in grassy fields to remain hidden from the predators. Owls, parrots, and hornbills build their nests mostly in the hollow spaces of walls and trees. And what woodpecker was doing? It was making the trunk hollow. And these two birds, they are not making the trunk hollow, but if there is already a hollow place, then they will make their nest in that hollow space. It can be a wall or trees. Then here is a crow's nest. So in the crow's nest, what is happening? Cuckoo does not make a nest. It lays its eggs in crow's nest. So cuckoo is the bird which is not making its own nest. Instead, it will go and lay eggs there in the crow's nest. It lays its eggs in the crow's nest, and the crow looks after its eggs and babies. And what crow will think? It will think that it is its own egg, and so it will look after the eggs of its own as well as of the cuckoo. Then we have birds caring for the young ones. How do they care for the young ones? See, here is the picture. The bird is feeding the young ones. So here is the mother bird lays its eggs in its nest and keeps them warm until they hatch into young ones. The father bird helps to protect the eggs from the enemies. The young baby birds cannot fly as they cannot see, don't have feathers, and are weak. Their parents feed them and take care of them till the time they develop feathers and learn to fly and search for food at their own. So this is how the birds are caring for the young ones. Here the 4 points are given. Then here is animals and their young ones. Nest, the place where the birds live with their young ones. And what is the adaptation in animals? True or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. Cuckoo builds nest on the ground? No, that's false. What is the correct answer? Yes, it lays its egg in the crow's nest. Penguin lays eggs in the pebbles? True. Parrot lays eggs in the hollow of the trees? True. Partridge builds nest on the ground? True. Woodpecker builds nest in the holes in the trees? True. Tailor bird stitches the leaves to build its nest? True. Then here are few questions. Think and answer. How does tailor bird build its nest? You will go back to the video and you will find out the answer. Write in the separate practice notebook. Describe weaver bird's nest. Describe how birds care for their young ones. Fine. So this is all about the video. Few questions in the end. And now, thank you everyone. Bye bye.